In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement in Tradingview. Golden Zone Settings. Start by opening a chart in Tradingview for the market and time frame you trade. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the third icon down and select Fib Retracement. Before you place it, identify the current trend. In an uptrend, you want to anchor the tool from the most recent swing low to the most recent swing high. Click the swing low, then click and drag up to the swing high. In a downtrend, do the opposite. Click the swing high, then drag down to the swing low. Use clear, obvious swing points on the chart so your levels reflect the true move rather than minor noise. Capture the full swing, wick to wick, and zoom out if needed, so the entire move is on screen. The 0 and 1 levels mark the start and end of that measured move, and everything in between shows how far price has retraced. If your levels look inverted, simply redraw from the correct anchor, so the scale matches the trend. Now focus on the golden zone. This is the area between the 0.5 and 0.618 retracement levels, with 0.786 as an optional deeper pullback. Many traders watch this area because price often pauses or reverses here after a strong move. As price retraces into that zone, prepare your plan. In an uptrend, you are watching for buying opportunities as price dips into the zone. In a downtrend, you are watching for selling opportunities as price rallies into it. Wait for confirmation such as a strong rejection candle, an engulfing pattern, or confluence with prior support or resistance. You can also use your preferred indicator for confirmation, but let the price action at the level lead the decision. Waiting for a candle to close inside the area and then reject it can filter out many false starts. To make the golden zone stand out, customize your settings. Double-click the Fibonacci you just drew to open the settings menu. Enable the levels 0, 0.5, 0.618, and 1. Optionally add 0.786 if you like tracking deeper pullbacks. Disable the other levels such as 0.236 and 0.382 to keep the chart clean. Turn on the background option and set a light color between 0.5 and 0.618. So the zone is immediately visible without overwhelming your candles. Choose a subtle shade and light transparency, so price action remains easy to read from here. Keep it simple. Draw from swing to swing, watch how price behaves as it retraces into the highlighted area, and act only when you get confirmation in the direction of the prevailing trend. With consistent application, the Fibonacci Golden Zone becomes a clear, repeatable framework for timing pullbacks. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.